Greetings, plant enthusiasts. Today we're wandering into the enchanting world of Gaultheria procumbens, also known as wintergreen, a captivating evergreen that adds a touch of charm and festivity to your garden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of plants. Gaultheria procumbens, commonly known as wintergreen or eastern teaberry, is a charming and aromatic evergreen ground cover native to North America. An interesting fact about this plant is that its leaves and berries release a pleasant wintergreen fragrance when crushed, contributing to its popularity in gardens. Traditionally, Native American tribes used various parts of the wintergreen plant for medicinal purposes, making teas from the leaves to address ailments such as colds, headaches, and sore throats. The leaves also contain natural compounds like methyl salicylate, which give them a mild analgesic quality. While not a significant source of mainstream nutrient values, wintergreen's traditional medicinal uses have been attributed to its aromatic compounds. In the garden, Gaultheria procumbens can serve as an excellent companion plant, providing ground cover with its glossy foliage and adding a touch of fragrance to the surroundings. Native to the eastern regions of North America, wintergreen thrives in acidic, well-drained soils, often found in coniferous forests. Its adaptability, combined with its aromatic charm, makes it a sought-after choice for woodland gardens and naturalized landscapes. This evergreen thrives in well-drained, acidic soil with partial to full shade. It is relatively low maintenance, requiring consistent moisture and protection from harsh afternoon sunlight. Maintaining a proper watering routine and providing mulch for insulation are crucial for its well-being. Wintergreen adapts well to woodland gardens, borders, and containers, bringing a touch of festivity to your outdoor spaces. Thank you for joining us on this botanical journey. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more delightful content. Farewell and happy gardening.